Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back. The go-to place for all things drone related. If you're eager to turn those aerial adventures into cash, you're in for a treat. Today we're exploring 10 exciting and detailed ways to make money with your drone. Stick around because the sky's the limit. Kicking off at number 10 is selling your drone footage as stock footage. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are always on the lookout for captivating aerial content. Create a portfolio, upload your footage, and earn passive income as your content gets downloaded by content creators around the world. Research popular trends in stock footage and create content that meets the demands of content creators and media producers. Ensure your footage is of high quality, with clear compositions and versatile themes. Regularly update your portfolio to keep your content fresh and appealing to a wide range of potential buyers. Consider creating thematic collections to cater to specific content needs, such as travel, technology, or lifestyle. Empowering others to take flight at number 9. Offer drone training and workshops. Many people are eager to learn how to fly drones safely and legally. Create online courses, host in-person workshops, and share your expertise. As the demand for skilled drone pilots rises, you can establish yourself as an authority in drone education. Develop comprehensive online courses covering topics such as drone safety, regulations, and piloting skills. Collaborate with local community centers or educational institutions to host in-person workshops. Use social media and online forums to promote your courses and engage with a community of aspiring drone pilots. Offer personalized coaching sessions for hands-on training and skill enhancement. Taking us on a journey at number 8 is nature and travel vlogging. Share your adventures, explore beautiful landscapes, and capture the essence of your travels with your drone. Monetize your vlogs through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Your unique aerial perspectives can attract a global audience fascinated by exploration. Plan and document your travel adventures, emphasizing the breathtaking drone shots in your vlogs. Collaborate with local tourism boards, hotels, and travel brands for sponsorship opportunities. Use affiliate marketing to promote drone-related products, travel gear, and other items relevant to your audience. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content and travel tips. Drones need some love too. At number 7, consider offering drone repair and customization services. Whether it's fixing technical issues or adding custom features, there's a market for personalized drone services. Create tutorials on repairs, showcase your customization skills, and build a reputation in your local drone community. Develop expertise in drone repair by staying updated on the latest drone models and common issues. Create detailed tutorials on your YouTube channel, showcasing step-by-step repair processes. Collaborate with local drone retailers to offer repair services and create partnerships for custom drone builds. Provide personalized consultations to drone owners for customizations based on their preferences. Zooming in to number 6, we have the adrenaline-packed world of drone racing events. Organize or participate in local drone racing competitions. With a growing community of drone racing enthusiasts, you can monetize through event sponsorships, ticket sales, and even live streaming your races on platforms like Twitch. Organize drone racing events in collaboration with local hobby shops or community centers. Create exciting race courses that challenge pilots' skills. Monetize through event sponsorships, charging entry fees, and live streaming the races to attract a broader audience and potential sponsors. Consider offering training sessions for beginners to increase participation. Lights, camera, drones. Coming in at number 5 is the exciting world of filmmaking and cinematography. Drones have revolutionized the film industry by providing dynamic aerial shots. Collaborate with local filmmakers, create your own cinematic content, or even enter drone film festivals to showcase your skills and potentially win prizes. Develop your drone cinematography skills by studying film techniques and storytelling. Collaborate with local filmmakers on short films, documentaries, or promotional videos. Offer aerial shots that add a unique perspective to storytelling. Enter your drone films into festivals to gain exposure and potentially attract clients interested in your unique cinematic perspective. Grounding ourselves in the world of agriculture, at number 4 is offering drone services to farmers. Drones equipped with sensors can monitor crop health, assess irrigation needs, and even provide valuable data for precision agriculture. Connect with local farmers and agricultural organizations to offer your drone expertise. Understand the specific needs of farmers, such as crop monitoring, disease detection, and precision agriculture. Invest in drones with specialized agricultural sensors for accurate data collection. Offer customized packages based on the size of the farm and the specific data required. Educate farmers on the benefits of using drones for crop management and resource optimization. Number 3 takes us to the tech side of things: drone mapping and surveying. Equip your drone with mapping software and offer services to construction companies, urban planners, and environmental agencies. Drones can provide accurate and efficient data for surveying large areas, making it a lucrative venture for those with a technical edge. Invest in specialized mapping software and sensors for your drone, ensuring you can provide precise data. Showcase your ability to assist in urban planning, construction site analysis, and environmental monitoring. Develop a strong understanding of local regulations and airspace restrictions. Collaborate with engineering firms and city planners to offer tailored drone mapping solutions. At number 2, we have a high-flying opportunity: real estate aerial tours. Help homeowners and real estate agents showcase properties from a whole new angle. Aerial shots provide a captivating view of the neighborhood, the property's surroundings, and its features. Create a portfolio and collaborate with local real estate professionals to get your drone up in the real estate market. Specialize in creating immersive real estate experiences by combining aerial shots with smooth transitions. Understand the art of storytelling through your drone footage, emphasizing key selling points. Offer different packages, including standard property tours, twilight shoots for added ambiance, and 3D mapping services. Develop relationships with real estate agents by showcasing how your services can enhance their listings. Wrapping up our list at number 1 is one of the classics, offering aerial photography for events. Whether it's weddings, parties, or corporate gatherings, people are always on the lookout for unique and stunning shots. Your drone can capture perspectives that ground-level photography can't. Reach out to event planners, photographers, and local businesses to showcase your skills. Create a diverse portfolio showcasing your proficiency in capturing various events. Highlight your ability to blend into the event seamlessly and capture candid moments from the sky. Consider investing in a versatile drone with advanced camera features to offer high-quality shots. Develop partnerships with event planners to be their go-to aerial photographer. And there you have it, drone enthusiasts, the top 10 ways to make money with your drone and more of a reason to obtain Part 107 in 2024. Whether you're into photography, tech, racing, or simply exploring the skies, there's a potential revenue stream waiting for you. Which idea sparked your interest the most? Or what has been left off? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-flying content. Until next time, happy droning and happy earning!